When it comes to giving your late model muscle car, classic hot rod, truck, SUV, or Jeep a look that's one of a kind and uniquely your own, you've gotta check out American Car Craft. They can turn virtually any stock car into a show car. Their cosmetic show accessories and add-on product design concepts are based on flat 304 stainless steel sheet materials that are laser cut and then hand-formed and crafted to produce truly amazing, high-quality accessories you just won't find anywhere else. Every single auto accessory starts with precision laser-cut premium materials like stainless steel and carbon fiber, and then moves into the hands of their skilled craftsmen. Every weld you see, every bend, it's all done by hand. American Car Craft products are easily accessible and easy to install. Most are peel and stick. Some of their most sought-after products include tricked-out fender covers, officially licensed master cylinder covers featuring brand logo styles, and LED illuminated fuel rails and engine shrouds that can give your motor a wicked LED glow. Other attention grabbers include their carbon fiber accessories, like illuminated door sills, decals, and interior, exterior, and engine bay trim kits. Custom hood panels are a standout restyling addition sure to turn heads and score points for the car show enthusiasts. The designers at American Car Craft are ready to turn your ideas into winning showpieces using a variety of techniques, including custom etching, printing, LEDs, carbon fiber, and combining brushed and polished stainless steel elements with vinyl colors inlay accents, resulting in a unique automotive accessory like no other. They can also help customize a vehicle interior with stainless steel trim plates for the dash. Plus, so much more. If you can think it, they can create it. We highly recommend you check out American Car Craft, see their extensive collection of awesome automotive accessories for yourself, and get inspired to start your own journey creating that custom showpiece you've dreamed of.